Do you feel like you deserve a reward today? Do you work really hard at your job and your business and you just want to get some credit, some extra credit? Well, I got something to share with you, and it's a special gift that I've been thinking about all week long. It's called My Rewards Program, giving you credit to watch videos every single day. My name is Adam Shelton, and I want to invite you to my rewards program. And I have a link right below this video. Right below this video, it is my rewards program. What happens is you'll sign up, and you want to follow the steps in terms of signing up. The biggest thing is you want to connect your account to your PayPal. That way you get credit by watching videos. Now let me tell you this, it's about watching videos, but you definitely want to be able to be eligible to get paid for it. So you need to watch so many videos and so much views. So pretty much you want to collect a lot of views and a lot of video to get eligible to get paid on a monthly basis or whatever that pool ends. So that's very, very important to go ahead and do this, because I've been thinking about doing something to reward you, because I know you've been working really hard and you've been, working your business, at your job, your family life, and you deserve a break. Why not get rewarded for it by watching videos, watching the videos that I produce and go ahead and do each and every single day? You get the energy, you get the education, because we're going to talk about business. We're going to talk about bringing energy in your business. We're going to talk about mindset stuff to take action in your business, you right? So we're going to talk about different things like that on YouTube, on here every single day, because I do videos to help you. It's all about helping you and giving back, and why not get rewarded for it by basically watching videos? Pretty much just watch videos. I do them every single day, load them up on here, and you just watch videos and you get credit to be able to do that. So right below this video, click on that link to get started with my rewards program. It's really easy to sign up. It's really simple to sign up, so it's no gimmick. It's really simple. You sign up and you watch videos, and you want to connect your PayPal account. That way you can get credit. So you definitely want to get credit for it. Why sign up? Why do all the work and you don't sign up for your PayPal, right? So if you don't have a PayPal, sign up for PayPal. It's free to sign up to get a PayPal account, right? If you don't have a PayPal account, go ahead and get signed up with there, because I know I got some members in the back office that they don't even have a PayPal. And I'm like, you don't have a PayPal? How do you expect to get credit? So because you deserve to get credit by watching the video. So click on the link below, and I can't wait to see you on the inside. And I can't wait to give you credit to watch videos. I'll see you later in the next video.